We're out here at Sierra Star in Mammoth Lakes. Let's see how it stacks up on Grassy.
And check out my app Grassy, an app where you can rank and review golf courses with friends.
Oh yeah, dude. That's so sick. See him? Scold it.
Yes! Yes! That's at them. Okay, hey, we still got you. Safar, hit your shot!
Come around.
Let's give Sierra Star a review on Grassy. An absolute stunning track surrounded by lodgepole pines at every turn, making it extremely challenging. I opted out for not using my driver the whole time, which was a smart decision as this was the first tournament round of my friend's Mammoth Open, and I was playing to win. Expensive, but worth the price. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.